Baloch culture is a symbol of pride, tradition, and timeless beauty. It reflects centuries of history, strong family values, colorful traditions, and deep respect of heritage. From handmade crafts to traditional foods and games, Baloch culture carries the spirit of unity and celebration. This beautiful cultural event was proudly organized by Dodmaan at Utrecht Central in the heart of the Netherlands. The event showcased the richness of Baloch desserts made with dates, including changal, shirgi halwa, madar, and shillanch. These sweets represent the warmth and hospitality of Baloch families. One of the main highlights of the event was the display of traditional Baloch women's dresses. These dresses are beautifully handmade with detailed embroidery, reflecting patience, creativity, and cultural identity. Along with the dresses, other handmade cultural items were also presented, showing the artistic skills passed down through generations. The audience also enjoyed watching the traditional Baloch cultural game called Hashti. This game brought energy and excitement to the event, allowing visitors to connect with the cultural spirit of the Baloch people. Many people, along with Baloch families, visited the event to celebrate Baloch Cultural Day.
Yeah, it's the first time that I have learned about existence of Balochistan, so I was glad that you gathered here and you share this. It's important for me to know. So, yeah, it's really thankful.
The event was a powerful reminder that culture keeps communities connected, even far from their homeland. At Utrecht Central, Baloch culture was not just displayed, it was proudly celebrated.